Hey guys! So we are starting this very interesting project. We are remodeling this bathroom here. I'll give you a better glimpse in a second. So essentially we've lived in this apartment for, I want to say like going on 2 years now, maybe even 3. And this bathroom is just, it's so small, it's hideous. It's a rented apartment, so it just, what it comes with is what it comes with. So I can't change out, say, the sink or the toilet or the tub. But there are definitely things that we can do to make this bathroom a little bit better. My boyfriend, Greg. Hi, Greg. He is going to be honestly doing a majority of the grunt work here. So you'll be seeing him for most of the video. But I'm on maternity leave right now, obviously. So I thought that this was a great time to start this project. So let me give you a little tour of the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. I hate the sink, but we can't do anything about it. There's not a lot of storage space. You can see there's like this weird crack where like the apartment is just settling. I don't know what's going on up there. That's always been like that. You can see that they just didn't put a lot of like care into what they were doing here. This is the shower, so eventually all of this will look different. This is the tub. It's probably dirty right now. Yep. And then this right here, like how they put it together here has just always bothered me. Like, look at this. I mean, besides the fact that my floor is absolutely disgusting, there's just, I don't know, like, why is the tile different right there? I don't know. And then here, you can just see over time, it just has just declined. And boop, that's it. That's the entrance. So that's pretty much it. So we're going to be changing out this tile. We're going to be changing out this tile over here too. My budget right now is $500. So currently we spent $217 at Home Depot for all of like the sanding, the paint, the tile, caulking, all that kind of stuff. So right now we're like halfway through our budget, and then I'm about to spend another $200 on just like little fixtures and things like that. And I'll obviously when they get here I'll insert it. This is supposed to be a 2-day project, but with the things that need to be hung up and the fixtures and things like that that I've purchased, I got them off of Amazon, so they won't be here until Friday. So it'll be kind of like a 2-part or a 2-week thing, but the majority of the work will be done between today and tomorrow. So just enjoy. That looks good. How do I know when it's like all even and smooth?
I don't know, just you see it. Go with your eye, how you feel?
It feels good, babe. Okay, this is what we've done so far. Pretty much, we've just made it look worse. So, I don't know. That great. I have to clean that. We've sanded a little bit. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna get this off. Okay. I had to run out for a bit, but Greg is doing an amazing job. Look at how much you've accomplished. You even sanded everything. Wow. I feel like this looks way more fun on HGTV. Drew is just like, don't worry, we'll get it renovated for you. I got my crew coming over.
Who?
You never watched Property Brothers?
No.
So what are you doing right now? Can you explain to us?
Just filling up little cracks and holes that's around.
So how would you deal with something like this over here where like you can see, did they like have to repair something?
They patched the wall right there. So
Oh, they didn't do a very good job though. Maybe they had to do something with plumbing once?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
So you know you gotta do is just
Okay, so we have speckled. Is this what it's called?
Spackled.
Spackled. You know I've always said speckled. God dang
you
it.
always got a speckle in your face.
I'm like, oh, we all spackle it? So we've done that. I'm gonna, turn around and show you. So we've done that to most of the walls, some of the ceiling as well. We're just really trying to get everything as even as possible. Oops, I almost dropped this. So we removed the railing that was right here, the towel rack rather. Cannot remove that. Very sad because I had a fixture that I really wanted to. This is my daughter. I had a fixture that I really wanted to put there, but unfortunately we won't be able to do that. So that makes me sad. Okie dokie. Now all that's left to do is let it dry, sand it, and then we're gonna start setting up for painting. Greg's wearing underpants. Why are you wearing underpants, Greg? Is that a professional thing?
Underwear, so shut up.
I am! Oh, you can't see my underpants though. One day is turning into the next day. I look rough as hell. And right now, Greg is what he calls wetting the walls.
Look,
so we sand.
Cleaning, really.
Cleaning. Okay, whatever. So we have sanded, and then we spackled. We sanded, spackled, sanded again. And now we're just trying to get majority of the dust up. And this has been an adventure. I'm gonna be honest with you, Gregory has done most of this. I'm more of the painting and I'm more of the cosmetic person. I don't really do a lot of the hard stuff. So this is what we're working with right now. My daughter's okay, I'm starting to second guess this color. It's like blue, but it's gray. I don't know. I feel like depending on what you put next to this color, it will reflect the value of it. Like if I put some like blue picture on the background, it'll look a little bit more blue. If I put something more gray, I don't know. We still have to do the tile. We'll see. I'm not confident right now, but we'll see. So we're done painting. Now we're gonna move on to tiling. So this is the tile that I've chosen for the floor. Ouch. They're the peel and stick, which is super convenient because like I said, we're renting this place. Like this is not, you know, if it was like our house versus an apartment, I would definitely go with like ceramic tile and like go through the whole demo process, but it's not, so I'm not putting in that effort. These tiles here too, obviously I'm not taking them all off because I feel like I'd probably get in trouble with the landlord. So we will also be adding peel and stick tiles to this too. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is that a good idea? Because it's a shower, so moisture, but I don't know. We'll see. But so right now, Greg is just kind of trying to get everything together, like measurement wise, and figure out what he's gonna do. I think I've been wearing this shirt for like 2 days now. Super gross. But obviously I can't use a shower right now until we're done anyway. So I guess it doesn't really matter. Shh, don't tell anybody. So what we doing now?
Tiling. That's what I'm doing.
It looks really, really good. Like it looks, I feel like this is gonna be amazing. Like I want to spend a lot of time in here. I was thinking about getting candles, right? So when you take a bubble bath, you can have them like on the side, right? So you can be all relaxed. But then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that because he's gonna set his hair on fire like an idiot. All right, so as you can see, tiling is done here. We still have to go around the border, and Greg has like one last piece over there. But mostly everything is done here. I've started caulking around the edges. I know they're a little uneven, but like, you know, what can you do? So a nice trick that I learned off of Pinterest is to put painter's tape around whatever you're caulking. That way you can rip it up and get a nice clean line. So that's what I did there. Then I caulked around all of the edges, just trying to make sure everything is sealed in really good. And then I just got like an old like washcloth that I don't use anymore. I kind of use it for cleaning. And I just cleaned up the actual edges of the fixture here. That's the Bluetooth speaker. I installed that myself. We just still have to do like around there. And then I have like pictures that are gonna go right here, like little fixtures. Obviously I have to put like the outlet covers back on. And then I have something that's going here, right there, and then right there too. But we almost done. Yo, don't mind that. Ta-da! Have a cute little plant. A shower curtain. Little speaker there. Little towel hook. We're still like doing the trim around here. But yes, that's it. I did it.